what we're looking at here is taking the shaft out of my Chevy S10 96. Gonna replace it with this one right here. Comes with everything already. I'm just totally just taking out the old and putting in the new. Same model, well, same year, not same model. This is coming out of a 96 Chevy Blazer, and this I'm driving is a 96 Chevy S10. While I'm doing that, since I've had so many problems with my stereo, I'm gonna replace, not only will I replace the shaft, steering column, also gonna replace the stereo, and redo the speakers as well. While I've got it all out. Hopefully, we'll get this done and taken care of by today. I also got some OBD2 oxygen sensors I have to put on. I went and got the O2 sensors from a friend of mine. I have to rewire them. They've been cut. Rewire them. I have the ends that I got in a separate place, but they're the same ends. So I got this one right here. I got this one right here. It's already intact. It's I don't have to rewire it. The O2 sensor. The plug looks like this in the end. And it's got these color wires. Let me show you a better one. I got one right here with the ends, the colors of them. This is my first video, so I'm not real familiar with what to do on here, but other than to do the video. I have some that I have to put together. Let's see. I have these sensors too. I don't really know what they go to, but I have these sensors too. The ends are like that. But that's later on. It's probably tomorrow or something. The O2 sensor I have right here that I have to put together manually is these two right here. I'm going to take it off that pipe. I went and bought me a O2 sensor socket. Let's see. And we'll check that out later when I go to take that O2 sensor right there off of that pipe. I'll give a description on that. But the bolts to hook up all this is you have two big bolts that are back there. Those are a 15, which I have right here. And then you have another pair big bolts that are like, will bolt up right back there. I don't know if that's showing a good picture or not. And then, of course, the airbags, which plug up right there, and the wire harness that plugs up right there. And all that right there is a description of how to pull that in your Haynes repair manual. The description on how to unplug the airbag system and the wiring harness is in this book right here. Chevrolet S10 GMC Sonoma pickup, Haynes repair manual. And then that's that on that. We'll pick this up later when we get this thing started. Thanks for watching.